Hi, this is Mr. Roche. We are working to get our check or our locating groups going, and I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible. Um, so let's see. Okay, we got a CES board going, and we are looking for groups horizontally. That's what we're doing. Yay. Okay. And then what's going on in here is that we just started this. Okay. So what we did was we set up a loop in here. Okay. Um, we set up an initial, like we said, the column's going to start at 0. We're going to run through all the rows, and every time we do this, we're going to keep going and have columns start at 0. So we're going to start from one side and kind of work our way over. And basically, while column is less than board square, we're going to check columns to see if we can find stones there. Okay. And the first thing we got to do is we have to we're going to call up this routine that we're going to call this guy. And we're going to say we're going to find the opponent. We're going to find a start of a stone group. That's what we're looking for. Okay. So we're going to go like this, and we're going to say square, like new group, and that's going to equal a call to this because find opponent start horizontally is going to check for this. Okay. And what it does is we're going to send it last move row and last move column. Okay. And that's that. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait to see what happens. Okay. And then if we come back and if there is a square, if it finds a group, then everything's great. This can either come back with a new group that is a square, or it can come back with this new group that's empty. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do tonight. So that's the first part of this. Everything's great. We just want to make sure that we have find opponent start horizontally. Okay, so let's go work on that. So here we go. If to do this, what we're gonna do is we want to basically start out with some kind of an opponent start, and then what we want to do is basically we're going to assume that the square is not there until we can find one. Okay, so let's see. I want to do this right now. Okay, I want to say basically I'm going to start like looking through here, right? And basically I'm starting off from where we are. Okay. And well, we're going to do that. We want to start out from here. We're going to send it the current column up in here. I'm going to send it row, okay, and the current column. Okay, so now it's got the right place to start. Okay, and yeah, okay, so that looks good. And so what's going to happen is it's going to start from here and just look over, okay? And we're going to put in a little loop, which I got, and I'll show you it one sec. Okay. Basically, loop looks like this. Okay. So while we've decided things are not done, and the current column is less than board width squares, we're going to proceed. Okay. And here's what's going to happen here after that. Then we're going to we're basically going to check. Okay, we're going to check the current row, right? The what row and the current column, and we're just going to kind of like check through to find out if we have like a board square. So basically what we're going to do is you just make this if statement. If what row and the current column, their get state equals the opponent's stone color, then we've found a start. So that's good. So then the opponent's start, which is this square, is going to equal that, square on the game board. We're gonna keep that, keep a link to it or whatever. And then we're going to be done. Okay, we just keep going until we're done. That's good. So then done equals true. We pop out of this loop. Everything's great. And then if not, we just, up the current column. Okay. And that's basically it to this routine. Okay. Get that done tonight, and we will work with it tomorrow. Okay. See you later.